Go and marry. Go and marry. Go and marry Patrick. Go and marry Peter. Go and marry. This Alex, he never even get babe. He never even get babe. Go and marry. Don't waste my time in this church. Go and marry. Go and marry. Go and marry. Don't waste my time. You Italian reality. Go and marry. Go and marry. All the money you are making. Go and marry. Don't waste my time in this church. Go and marry. Go and marry. Patrick, I say marry. Simon, marry. Oh yeah, marry all of you. Marry in this church. Stop wasting my time. Go and marry. Stop lying to the guests. Go and marry. Go and marry.
God have mercy upon us.
This is how they are dragging delay. Finally, they are dragging delay on X and FB. Abiono Dolores Frimpong Manson, popularly known as Delay, on his recent post saying she is lonely. Concerned fans walk into this situation and drag Delay, saying say go and marry and stop making noise. Also, upon all the money you have, you are still suffering this single life. You need man in your life to reset your brain to factory settings. Charlie, make you read what the fans said about Delay situation being single for all this while. Go and marry and stop making noise. Fans drag Delay after declaring she is lonely. Media personality Dolores Frimpong Manson, aka Delay, has found herself once again at the center of controversy, with some fans coming for her head for being a single woman in her 40s. Delay shared a post to social media declaring herself lonely, and that ended up bringing all sorts of attacks down on her. The Delay show host constantly gets attacked for her personal choices of remaining single and childless past 40. Although there are unconfirmed reports she has a daughter, that has never faced her, and she recently shared a photo of herself looking glammed up but moody. Delay captioned the photo, "I am feeling lonely." This is the post she captioned, "I am feeling lonely." Lonely ankasa. Immediately, the married police jump into her comments. "Go and marry and stop making noise," one netizen wrote. Another said, "Upon all the money you have, you are suffering this single life. You need a man in your life to reset your brain to factory settings." This is what really happened that made the fans drag Delay. Now fans no concerned about that post now and say, "Oh, I am feeling so lonely." And fans and they say, "Oh, if you are feeling lonely, dear, we need to bring your mind to marriage because you are on your 40s. With the 40 years, still you need so bow, so any bow. Still we are single. What's cancel? Is it then still down we are single?" The fans was really concerned. Na always be an omontiase. Nema this post na because na star picture no so tie no na nanim no moody kakra otimi se as an ra who be as ampa why lonely. Fans no so ye consent sad and a lot of comment no de beto na comment no enye ni nyina na yitimi de ba ha se you comment ni de bibre ma post bibre ma me XP intimi selemu nko video ho anu so betimi aboa mo enchi bia nso amrado edibetu dwa se obe wali Delay nti ni empu yenim se Delay one amrado na wo ho by because of say or can say I am feeling lonely no they couldn't made it. In fact, the Lion Queen is in trouble. Fans are really dragging on all socials. Please, if my content help you with a great gist, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and also follow me on all social at Central Austin.